Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I'm pleased to showcase a splendid, fabulous collection of hand-woven Kanchivaram silk saris. All the saris that I'm going to showcase today are all hand-woven, and the zari on them is pure, and the colors and designs are absolutely breathtaking. So let's get started with these saris. The first sari of the day is a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari, and this one has podi kattam, that is very tiny checks all over the body. The body of this beautiful sari looks like an orangish rust, but it has very small tiny kattam, that is podi kattam, and this is in a combination of rust and maroon. The sari doesn't have borders, but it has a narrow stripe of zari along the selvages. The selvages are in a lovely short green. The sari comes with a lovely, gorgeous pallu in green, and it has seepareka in zari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same green as the pallu. You can accessorize the sari with some lovely emerald jewelry and pair it with its own blouse, and that will look absolutely fabulous. Up next, we have a lovely Kanchivaram in a beautiful and eternally loved combination of blue and pink. The body of this beautiful sari is in a deep navy blue, and it has zari motifs. The motifs are very unique and they look like dice board or what we call as pasapalli all over. So these are done in zari. The borders are in a beautiful short pink, and there is a lovely green selvage along the border. Now the border has 2 rows of zari, so it is a rettapated zari border. The gorgeous pallu of this beautiful sari has elaborate zari weaving on it, and it has gorgeous zari motifs of pakshis, manga, rudraksham and bananas motifs. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse or in a blouse with green, and you can pair it with some beautiful gold jewelry. A lovely sari for threadwork sari lovers, and this one has smart checks all over the body. The body of the sari is a beautiful peachy shade. It's a very pretty and pastel shade, and it's got threadwork buttas all over the body. The borders are in a combination of pink and green, and it has pakshi motifs in thread. The pallu of the sari is also done completely in thread, and it has pakshi and diamond kind of motifs. The sari comes with a pink blouse fabric with the same borders as the sari has. You can accessorize it with some beautiful beaded jewelry to create a stunning effect. Another sari for lovers of threadwork Kanjivarams. This one is a Korvai threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this Kanjivaram sari is in a lovely and beautiful ripe mango color, and the borders are rettapate borders, and it has beautiful Rudraksha motifs on a purplish base. The pallu of this stunner of a sari is in the same purple as the borders, and it has similar motifs as the borders. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in purple. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize it with some gold jewelry to create a beautiful look. If the Kanjivaram is the queen of silks, the Vairavusi is the queen of Kanjivarams. We have one of our most loved and most popular Vairavusi Kanjivarams restock. This one is an absolutely beautiful shade of sea blue. The body of this pastel blue Vairavusi sari has circular zari buttas. The borders have beautiful zari motifs, they are banki motifs, and there is a lovely light green selvage which highlights the beauty of this lovely sari. Vairam in Tamil is diamond and Usi is needle. So Vaira Usi is diamond needles, and it's called so because there are zari stripes running along the length of the sari. You will see the effect of these zari stripes when you move in the sari or you wear it and step out in the light, etc. So the zari is there all over the body, the zari lines. And there are also small zari buttas which are there on the body. The pallu of the sari is a work of art, and it has elaborate and detailed zari motifs of pakshis, chariots, bankis, etc. This sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a tissue blouse or a blouse in this beautiful green selvage or any other contrast blouse and accessorize it with lovely gold jewelry. For any festivities or special occasions, a Kanjivaram is something that most of us reach out for, and that too in a Kanjivaram. Pink is one of the colors that many of us love to drape for special occasions. We have a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a very festive pink. The body of this beautiful sari has vertical stripes in zari, and there are floral motifs in between these zari stripes. The borders are Banaras borders. The pallu of the sari is breathtaking and it has beautiful diamond and floral motifs. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse and some green jade jewelry or emerald jewelry, and those will make you look like a queen. We have Kanjivarams for every kind of occasion, whether it's an event at work, a marriage, or any other social events or get-togethers. You can browse and shop for our collection of exquisite Kanjivaram silk sarees from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.